Python program to determine whether a point belongs to a circle within a center of its origin. So first of all, we have to input mathematics because we are using math function. Then points, we import the point x and y, convert it to floats by using float function. So then now we need to enter the radius. Let's print out the radius. Then we need to input the value of r, which is the radius. So what next is to find the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the addition of the square of x and y. We can use mathematical function square root of r plus square root of so the hypotenuse has been found. Then we now compare the hypotenuse with the radius. Come in. Otherwise you can do actually. We now compare the hypotenuse with the radius. If it's less than or equal to the radius, that means you should print out the points belong to the circle. Else, if the hypotenuse is not less than or equal to radius, that means the points does not belong to circle. So that is a simple way of writing the program to determine whether a point belongs to circle of its origin. Let's try to run the program. So let me enter the value of x, y should be 3, radius should be 5. Yeah, the point belongs to circle. Then let's enter another figure. When we enter 4, 6, and 3, the point does not belong to circle. Thanks.